You can add music to your Canva presentation in a few simple steps, and here is how to do it. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then simply in the search address bar search for the canva.com and log into your Canva, and once you are inside the Canva, open your presentation. Once you open the presentation, on the left hand panel, you can see the options available there. Now, from these options, simply tap on the elements. Now scroll down, or you can also type music or audio in the search bar and browse the available free and premium music tracks. If you see the crown option available right next to the music, then you need a premium version to unlock that music. But if you don't see any crown version available there, then you don't need any premium. So you can also tap on the search address bar and search for some free music. And once you find one, you can simply click on a track to add it to your presentation. It will appear as a timeline at the bottom. Now click the audio track to adjust where the music starts and ends. And that is it. Once you are done, you can tap on the share icon available there and download it to your device. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.